lot of moves to a stuffed animal. WWE and AEW moves. I prefer Build-A-Bear stuffed animals, but that's just my opinion because they have arms and legs. Other stuffed animals are just like, they're too tiny. Okay. First, rock bottom. Tombstone. That was bad. Clothesline from You Know Where by JBL. Deadeye by Hangman Adam Page. Oh. Pile driver. Oh. Razor's Edge. Power slam. Oh. Uso splash. Oh. Choke slam. Hammerlock. DDT. Spring. Club stomp. Powerbomb. Hulk Hogan with leg drop. One Winged Angel. Oh. The Boom by Adam Cole. Oh. The Coffin Drop by Darby Allin. Cesaro Swing. Pop-up powerbomb. Wait, that's valid. Pop-up powerbomb. KO punch. Hotlock. A-Town down. Oh. GTH by Sammy Guevara. Famous off. Oh. Claymore kick. Oh. 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 That wasn't anybody's move. I did a move. Okay. Oh. Blow Derek. Oh. Sweet chin music. Oh. Crossroads. Oh. Avalanche. Falcon Arrow. Oh. South of Heaven. Oh. Coup de grace. Oh. Samoan Spike. Ah! Oh. World's strongest slam. Oh. Red one by a hook. Bob kick. Oh, oops, that was bad. Oh, axe kick. Oh. This is actually very tiring. Stunner. Oh. Phenomenal form. Oh. Spine buster. Oh. Powerbomb symphony. By Wardlow. Edge spear. Oh. Blonde Breaker's finisher. I don't know what it's called. Oh. Psycho knee. Oh. That will be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. You can try this at home, just don't get hot.